Far too many people these days struggle with outdated, unreliable cameras without even realizing how much they're missing. Upgrading your action camera will upgrade the way you capture your adventures, your family moments, and your entire travel experience in ways you didn't know were possible. The best action cameras today go far beyond simple recording. They stabilize, they stream, they enhance low light, and they turn everyday moments into cinematic memories. And we have the best options ready and waiting for you. But first of all, make sure to use our links because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's get into it. Starting strong, the GoPro Hero 12 Black e-commerce package sets a solid standard for creators who want reliability with pro-level results. With stunning 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video and crisp 27 megapixel photos, this camera destroys the gap between hobby and professional content creation. The HDR mode enhances dynamic range so colors stay brighter and shadows stay clean. Its 1/1.9-inch image sensor captures more light than previous Hero models, delivering far better detail in harsh sunlight or low-light settings. The built-in stabilization makes shaky footage nearly impossible, even during intense biking, surfing, or travel vlogging. Since it's fully waterproof out of the box, you don't have to worry about fragile housing or complicated setup. Live streaming and webcam support also make it perfect for influencers or anyone wanting to share real-time adventures. For anyone upgrading from an older GoPro, this is a massive leap forward. Moving up a level, the GoPro Hero13 Black brings even more power, precision, and versatility to the action camera game. Again, delivering gorgeous 5.3K 60 video and the same 27 megapixel photo capability, the Hero13 is all about refinements that matter. GoPro's newest sensor works seamlessly with the HB series lens compatibility, giving creators a chance to completely change their look and field of view without compromising image quality. Stabilization hits a new level as well, balancing motion in extreme environments where traditional cameras completely fail. The Hero13 maintains waterproof performance, ultra-responsive menus, and the reliability that GoPro is known for, but adds more flexibility for professional creators who want interchangeable lens options. Whether you're recording at the beach, in snow, during a workout, or on a mountain, this camera is built for all condition storytelling. If you're someone who wants a powerful camera, but prefers something smaller and easier to carry, the DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo is a game-changing option. This little device records beautiful 4K 60 frames per second video using its large 1/1.3-inch sensor, giving sharp, clean, and colorful footage in nearly any environment. The wide 143-degree field of view makes it perfect for vlogging, capturing landscapes, or filming action sports without needing additional lenses. One standout feature is its incredible 200-minute recording time, which is significantly longer than many competitors. You can shoot all day without swapping batteries every hour. The swift content transfer speeds up your workflow, helping you move footage quickly to your phone and get it ready for posting. The magnetic POV cam mode also adds a whole new shooting style, letting you mount the camera on your body or gear and record hands-free footage that stays stable and immersive. Next, the Insta360 X3 is simply one of the most versatile action cameras ever made. Instead of choosing one perspective, the X3 gives you everything with 360-degree recording. Its dual 1/2-inch 48-megapixel sensors produce incredibly detailed 5.7K 360-degree active HDR videos, letting you reframe your footage in post to create angles and shots that would otherwise require multiple cameras. The 72-megapixel 360-degree photo mode captures full immersive images perfect for travel, landscapes, and creative storytelling. You also get a 4K single lens mode. When you want traditional forward-facing recording, the Me mode at 60 frames per second is ideal for creators who want to keep themselves centered without needing a selfie stick. Insta360's stabilization is industry-leading, and the camera is waterproof, feature-packed, and supported by some of the most advanced AI editing tools in any action camera ecosystem. For creators who want maximum creativity, flexibility, and cinematic freedom, the X3 is unmatched. Finally, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Essential Combo takes everything people love about premium action cameras and pushes it even further. With a large 1/1.3-inch sensor and the ability to shoot stunning 4K 120 frames per second video, it delivers buttery smooth slow motion and ultra-sharp details even in fast-moving environments. Subject tracking keeps the focus locked onto your movement, making the camera ideal for running, cycling, surfing, or any high-action activity. The stabilization tech is exceptional, giving you gimbal-like smoothness without needing extra gear. Dual OLED touchscreens make framing shots effortless, whether you're filming yourself or capturing the world around you. It's waterproof, rugged, and built for extreme conditions, making it a perfect companion for travel vloggers, sports creators, and anyone who loves adventure. No matter what your filming style is, these top 5 action cameras deliver unbeatable performance, durability, and cinematic results. Whether you're capturing memories with your family, recording your travels, or creating content for social media, upgrading to any of these models will take your storytelling to a higher level. And remember, use the links below to get the best price available today, because discounts change fast and you don't want to miss the latest deal.